Hello, students. In this class, we'll see the distance formula in coordinate geometry chapter. What is the distance formula? And we'll see a few examples of finding distance between the 2 points. Okay. So, as you see in the figure, what is the distance of PQ? P has coordinates x1, y1. Q has coordinates x2, y2. What's the distance? Okay. Since if you observe the PQT triangle, it is a 90-degree right angle triangle at T. PQT is a right angle triangle at T, right? Triangle PQT is a right triangle at angle T. Okay. And it is a right angle triangle means we can apply Pythagoras theorem here. Okay. So let's see. PQ square is equal to PT square plus QT square. What is PT and QT here? If you observe, when in the last class we saw P of some, say for example, A of 2 comma 3 means A of 2 comma 3 means, I'll just recap it what we learned in the last class. What do you mean by point coordinates? A of 2 comma 3 means 2 is the distance of point A from y-axis, right? A of 2 comma 3 means it's a distance from y-axis, it's a distance from x-axis. So when we say P of x1, y1 here, what is OR? OR is your x1, okay? And what is PR? PR is y1 because P is at a distance of y1 units from x-axis, that is your y coordinate. Similarly, for Q, you can say OS is x2 units, QS is y2 units. Okay. When we say PR is y1 unit, TS is also y1 unit. Okay. So now if you see, now we have all the values marked here as in the figure. You can write in the notes as well. Now PT, I can say PT distance is nothing but OS and OR, right? OS and OR whole square. OS minus OR whole square. QT is nothing but QS minus TS. Okay. QS minus TS whole square. Please understand here. PT is nothing but OT. OT is nothing but OS again, right? Because T and S are on the same line. OS minus OR. QT is nothing but QS minus TS. TS is nothing but PR. Okay. So we can say OS minus, okay, we can substitute the values here. What is OS here? Yes, OS is x2. Okay, sorry. Okay, yeah, x2. OR is x1 whole square. QS, you can observe here, QS is y2. From the figure, please read it. QS is y2. What is TS? TS is nothing but PR, okay? So PR is y1. You can say here TS is equal to PR equal to y1. Okay. That's it. Therefore, we just transfer the square to the right hand side. You get x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. is the distance formula. Is the distance formula. Please remember, this is very important question formula. Distance between the 2 points having x1 y1 and x2 y2 is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This, what if the point is from the origin, say I'll say m of or a of xy, I'll say. I'll write again. There is a point here, a of xy. Let's see what is the distance of a of xy from the origin. Since only one point a of xy is given, you should know origin is always 0 0. Means one of the point it has become 0 0. That means this distance formula reduces to now square root of, I'll say a of xy o of 0 0. So this is your x1 y1. This is x2 y2. Okay. So x2 minus x1 means 0 minus x, that is x whole square, plus y2 minus y1 means 0 minus y whole square is y square. Therefore, distance of a point from origin is nothing but square root of x square plus y square, where x and y are the coordinates of that point particularly. Okay. We'll see few examples here. Let's find the distance between the 2 points. I can say, please check the points here, a of 1 comma 7 and sorry, a of 1 comma 7, b of 6 comma minus 1. What is ab here? Find the distance. Just an example I'm taking up just to show how we can use the formula. So AB is nothing but square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, right? So x1 y1 x2 y2 is like this here. Okay. So just substitute the values. Please concentrate while you substitute the values. Signs are very important. Square root of x2 is what? 6. X1 is 1. Okay. 6 minus 1 whole square. Okay. Then plus y2 minus y1 plus y2 is minus 1 minus of y1 is 7 whole square. So square root of 6 minus 1 is 5. 5 square is 25 plus minus 1 minus 7 when they added minus 8. Minus 8 whole square is 64 because minus into minus will become plus. When you add the things in the bracket 25 plus 61, it will be 89. When you find the distance, please write the units as unit word itself. Units. No centimeter, no m cube. Okay. So this is one example. Just you have to pay attention while substituting the values. Remember this formula. Let's see one more example for finding distance of a point from origin. Okay. See. Find distance of point a of 2 comma minus 3 from origin. Okay. We have seen the formula for origin separately. It is not a separate formula. I mean only distance formula, putting one of the point coordinates as 0 0, we get the origin distance of a point from origin formula, from origin. So distance of a from origin is equal to square root of x square plus y square, where x, y are the points 2 comma minus 3. Substitute it. X is 2 square, y is minus 3, that whole square. 2 square is 4, minus 3 whole square is plus 9 only. So square root of 13 units. Okay. So I'll just recap what we learned today. The square root of the distance formula is nothing but square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So note that because when you square a negative number, you always get a positive, no matter x1 is greater or x2 greater. So this can also be written as, this distance formula can also be written as square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Remember that. Either of one you can use. Square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. Whichever convenient, you can use that. Okay. This is the formula for distance between the 2 points. So distance of a point from origin is this formula, square root of x square plus y square, because origin will have 0 0 as the coordinate. So one of the coordinate point will be 0 0. Okay. Please practice these two formulas very well. Thank you.